is really for the ombudsman to take over. As I said, no need for affidavits because the records will show, would show na there has been a wrong committed and maybe corruption. Given the propensity of yung 1,700, including yung nagpatay sa Chong sisters, pati yung sa Sanchez. Yun ang mga high profile na galit ang tao. Galit ako, pero gusto ko silang patayin. Kaya lang, wala namang opportunity. But given, I will execute them, no problem. As a matter of fact, I can take their place inside the Muntinlupa. Kaya kayo mag-surrender.